standing right now is where this video was recorded, and this is what you're able to see on your screen. If you look through the two buildings, that is where the fire was coming from. And after the first and second explosion, it wasn't that much, but we did not anticipate for the third explosion. I was just recording to show how there was a commotion outside the fence and also inside, because the neighbors were traumatized as well.
Before we knew it, there was a huge ball of fire. Yeah, and this huge ball of fire was radiating heat, and I can't remember the rest. I just fled, and in that, you know, as I scampered for safety, I think I sprained my ankle, and you know, I couldn't believe, you know, my son had actually remained behind. So I was really screaming, you know, trying to call him, you know, wondering whether he was not seeing the looming danger.